Reflow empowers senior managers to see the immediate state of operations, enabling data-driven decisions to improve costs, increase safety, and promote efficiency. We create bespoke reports which generate focused feedback you can act on. Bespoke reporting can be pulled instantly from your data in any format you require. For example, comparing skill sets in each location or actual wage costs per site. Using reports to tell you which vehicles or plant is requiring the most frequent or costly maintenance to help decision making on asset write-down. Seeing the prerequisite training expiry dates of current training that, if absent or lapsed, would make upcoming training invalid. We can also export your reflow reports to a format your management team prefer to work with: CSV, PDF, or Excel. Find out what you don't know but probably should about how your business operates with Reflow.